guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a beautiful 21st birthday party that I decorated in the golds, blacks, whites, and feathers. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So without any further delay, let's get started. Start out with the centerpieces. For the centerpieces, my client wanted feathers. She absolutely loved the look of feathers, but we wanted to do something a little bit more elevated. So with this particular one, we used the ostrich feathers in white, and we use the gold centerpieces to kind of make it look more elevated. Now, you all are probably more accustomed to me doing feathers in the Eiffel Tower vases, but I love them in the gold vases as well. You want to make sure that whenever you're doing feathers in this type of vaseware, that you want a vaseware that has a relatively small mouth. Remember, the bigger the mouth, the more feathers. The smaller the mouth, the less feathers. So definitely consider that whenever you are doing your design. Secondly, we did feathers in small bud vases, and on the table set we used the diamond chandelier centerpieces that I absolutely love. I wanted to make sure we added a pop of feathers on those tables as well, and so what we did was we added about 5 or 6 feathers inside of the bud vases to make sure we kind of made the look flow all throughout the space. Let me show you.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
Next up is the tablescape. We wanted to keep the tablescape very clean and very classy. We did not want to add anything on the tablescape that we didn't need. So in this particular instance, we use the white velvet napkins, the beautiful black velvet linen. I just don't think there is a more elegant linen than black velvet. That's my opinion. You guys let me know your favorite type of linen down in the comments below. But once we added the black velvet linens on the table next to the champagne Chiavari chairs with the white cushions, along with the white velvet napkins, and you guys know I have to add my bling from totallydazzled.com. And so it made the look just come together beautifully and flawlessly.
Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel.
Next up, let's talk about the backdrop. I love the way that this backdrop turned out. The only requirement that my client had was that she wanted the huge 4x8 photo backdrop, and that was her only requirement. But I thought about it, and when I thought about the feather centerpieces, I thought that this would be the perfect time to add in the white feather wall. It looks amazing in this space. And then along with the white feather wall, I wanted to go on the opposite side with the open arch with the balloons coming through. And my balloon artist, Trey, he did an incredible job with the balloons. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. But you guys, let me stop here to teach you a very important lesson. When we were designing this space, we almost did too much. So you have to know, in my opinion, I think that not knowing where to start is just as bad as not knowing where to stop. And so I had a shimmer wall over here. I had the feather wall. I had the photo backdrop. I had the open arch, and it was just, it was not flowing. It just didn't feel right. And so in the middle of it, I was like, y'all, let's stop. Let's rethink and reset this whole backdrop area, because it is definitely the focal point of the room. And when I took away the shimmer wall, I realized that was what was conflicting in terms of the design. That was what was stopping up the flow. If you hit a creative block and you don't know how you want to design something, let me just encourage you to step back remove certain elements in the design, and stop when it feels right. It is so important to know, especially in event design, where to stop. We can definitely go too far. We can add too much. And just because it's beautiful, it doesn't mean that it belongs. So remember that. Beauty does not equal belonging.
I can't help have this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
Another thing, remember to personalize. I did some personal table numbers and a welcome sign, her photo backdrop board, just a lot of different elements in today's event is extremely personalized. So whether you're decorating for a graduation party or a baby shower, bridal shower, wedding, special event, retirement, family reunion, it doesn't matter what it is, right? But you have to add that individual's personality into your design. And so if you are a part of the Luxe Academy membership here on the YouTube channel, I have a separate channel that are separate videos that are exclusively for channel members. I took you all through step by step how I personalize the welcome sign, the table numbers, etc. using Canva and printing them out, and we did this for a fraction of the cost. So if you haven't become a channel member, now's the perfect time. And another thing is that we added glam to every corner of this space, from the food area to the cake area to the bar area to the DJ area to the gift table. There's a little bit of glam everywhere. We made sure that our hands touched every aspect of the design. A lot of times people leave maybe the catering area, the tables for the food up to the caterer, or the table for the DJ up to the DJ. I don't take that into consideration. I want to make sure that the entire room blends together well. So if I have to bring an extra few linens to make sure that my signature is on the entire look of the event, then I'm going to do just that. As always, you have to have a great team. None of this wouldn't be possible for me. Like, I'm one person. I can think of all these things, but it's extremely hard to make it all happen by myself. So a great team is the foundation for a great event. And so I want to take this time to thank my team. I want to thank Kalia, Wanda, Trey, Lanita, Trevor, Adelie, Travis, Ukraina. I have some amazing people on my team, and I want to just say thank you all so much. None of this would not be possible without each and every one of you and all of my Luxe Academy students. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I want to see it, see how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me.
But certainly not least, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Because of your support, because of you watching and sharing and commenting, I'm able to do what I absolutely love. And it is my prayer that you are able to do the same thing one day as well, where you're able to find something that you love to do and it doesn't feel like work. That's exactly what creating does for me. That's exactly what decorating does for me. Whether I'm live streaming, whether I'm sharing, whether I'm doing a tutorial, none of it feels like work because I absolutely love it. And this is a gift that God gave me, and I am so grateful to be able to share it with each of you. Speaking of sharing, I hope that you all will share today's video and share with me in the comments what was your favorite aspect of today's design or your favorite tip. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
I'm already